How to use Messenger for free. Hello, everybody. If you guys are wondering if you can use Messenger for free, you may follow up the step. First thing you can do is just basically go ahead and download Messenger application. It is basically a free application. So you can basically go ahead and install it. After that, open it up and log in using your account. So Messenger is a free messaging app where you can connect with friends and family, share your thoughts and feelings, and even make video calls and all without having to pay. So in order to use that free features, so you don't need to do anything. You can just head over to basically a chat, for example, like this. And once you head over to the chat, the next thing you can do is you can communicate with anyone on Messenger. So for that, if you want to video call someone, at the very top of your screen, you can find video call and call icons. So you can just go ahead and basically tap on it and start communicating with each other as long as you have an internet connection. So you need a very good internet connection if you want the Messenger application to run smoothly. Apart from that, you don't need to have any payment for Messenger. Apart from that, you can even have group chats and video calls. So if you want to create up a group chat, you can look for the pen icon at the very top of your screen. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, tap on group chat. And you may just go ahead and search for the people that you would like to add up on group chat. You can even create up a group name for yourself and tap on create at the very top. And your group has been created like this. Apart from that, we have different options like you can share content, you can send photos, videos, or other files. So you can head over to the chat in which you would like to share, and you can look for this media icon in the bottom left and select up the picture or video. And then basically tap on send, and the content will be shared with each other within the group or the chat, personal chat. Apart from that, Messenger offers a variety, wide range of features, including stickers, stickers like this. We have the sticker option like this, or different kind of reactions as well. You can just go ahead and look out for that. You can go ahead and react to each of the messages in Messenger available. We have different kind of emojis available. You can use of the kind of reaction that you would like to help you express yourself more creatively. And some mobile providers even offer free or reduced data plans for using Facebook and Messenger, making it even accessible. So you can just go ahead and use that up, and that is it. So this is how you basically use Messenger. It is a free application, so you don't have to worry about anything for now. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.